All right, we got chain parts.
I've got top, side.
Well, wheeling vessels ain't going to heaven all of them.
And
You better not go there.
depth.
Yeah.
All right.
What's the angle?
45 degree on the chisel, 30 degree on the top, and 90 degrees straight from the side.
Side. Gotcha. Side.
The other way. There you go. All right, she's good. Now you start on that side, do the same thing. Put them in close together back in the back so you can hit both. All right, now hit the other one over there. Hit the other one. Hit that one and this one. That one and this one. You'll notice the one of them loosens, the other one tightens. Ho, ho. Now, ho, ho.
Outstanding. Outstanding.
You're looking at 17, 18 inches. Really got an inch and 3 quarters.
Lennox, Georgia today with Georgia DOT coaches class. We've had a really good group going on. We've had some trouble though. Hinges don't seem to stay on the trees. Guys keep cutting them off, but they've learned a lot today. They've got only a couple of them actually went a little bit off target, but basically they learned a lot about the importance and control of the hinge, and also to follow their plan. About 10 trees down here, and we have a real, as you can see, a real storm situation here. We've crisscrossed them and got them close together, ready to look at some pressures and binds tomorrow, and that's going to be quite interesting. I've got 4 piles set up, and they're going to be starting off in the morning. They got their saws ready to go this afternoon. We'll see if everything is sharp and ready to run in the morning. Got some pretty neat storm situations, because we've got some things that are going to flip up, we got some things that are going to roll over, a lot of different issues they're going to come across in the morning as they start to put their plans together. But anyway, these guys are supervisors and leads that more or less are responsible for making sure they've got the right person for the right job out there cleaning up situations of storms and those kinds of things. And so we've been going down through just some basics and also some information to hopefully give them more ability to discuss with the employees what needs to take place as far as saws go. So looking forward to tomorrow. Drag it on the log. See that dust got in there when that slipped down. Just drag it on the log. So you're still not through here. Not all the way through, just till you bypass your top bottom cut. See, so you had a little bit of an offset there, but it's to that side, so that means. See, so if you look in there, I think you got it bypassed. See how that slab? Back. All right, now cut just across.